In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make easy standard operating procedures, or SOPs, in Asana. We'll dive into this process step by step, making sure you're equipped to create and manage SOPs efficiently and effectively. To get started, you'll first want to log into Asana. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is create a new project. This project will serve as the central hub for all your SOPs. Go ahead and name it something intuitive, like SOP Library or whatever makes the most sense for you and your organization. Once you've set up your project, it's time to organize it into sections. This will help keep everything neat and easy to navigate. You can categorize by department, process type, or any other method that aligns with how your team operates. This structure will help everyone on your team find what they need quickly and easily. Next, for each SOP, you'll want to create individual tasks within your project. Each SOP gets its own task, which is really handy for tracking and updates. Think of tasks like onboarding new hires or process customer returns. Make sure these tasks are clear and action-oriented, providing a snapshot of what's contained within. An important part of managing SOPs is tracking the status of each. You'll want to add fields within each task to indicate if an SOP is in draft, live, or archived status. You may also want to include the owner of the task and set a review date to ensure that the information stays up to date. With your tasks and sections set, it's time to focus on the content of each SOP. Start with a descriptive and action-oriented title that effectively summarizes the task. For complex steps, consider recording a Loom video. This visual aid can complement concise text steps you add below it, making it easy for team members to follow along at their own pace. Comments are a great tool within Asana for managing feedback and communication about the SOPs. Engage with your team through the comment section to refine and update processes as needed. This interactivity helps keep everything dynamic and responsive to change. To ensure your SOPs remain relevant and accurate, automate recurring reviews. You could add a subtask to each SOP task that reminds the owner to regularly audit and update the content, perhaps on a quarterly basis. Automation will help ensure these important updates aren't overlooked. Finally, linking SOP tasks to relevant team projects allows everyone to have easy access, which is especially useful when multiple projects intersect with particular SOPs. This connectivity fosters collaboration and ensures that your SOPs remain at the fingertips of those who need them the most. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating effective, organized, and easily accessible SOPs in Asana, helping your team operate smoothly and consistently.